everyone, I'm Bianca Jordan, immigration lawyer at Brazen Legal, where I help immigrants get green cards every day. To contact me, you can call, text, or WhatsApp 508-942-7497 to get help with your immigration case. Today's video is about TPS for Haiti. I've also recorded this video in Haitian Creole, so please share these videos with anyone you think would benefit. Over the weekend, I shared with you the great news that the Biden administration has redesignated Haiti for temporary protected status, or TPS for short. TPS, for those of you who don't know, is an immigration benefit that is given to immigrants who temporarily cannot go back to their home country due to something that's going on there. For example, a civil war, or maybe a natural disaster such as an earthquake or a hurricane, or a health epidemic such as the Ebola crisis that we had a couple years ago. Once the Department of Homeland Security designates your country for temporary protected status, citizens of that country who are currently in the United States on the date of the designation are able to apply for temporary protected status, which is given for periods of 18 months at a time. During that time, people with TPS are able to get work permits, they're able to apply for Social Security cards, in some instances they're also able to get driver's licenses, and they're protected from deportation. And they're also able to apply for a travel document so that they can travel to and from the United States. So Haiti originally received temporary protected status in January 2010 due to the massive earthquake that killed hundreds and thousands of people in the Caribbean country. And it was redesignated for TPS in July 2011 so that more Haitians would be able to apply for temporary protected status. Over the past couple months, in previous videos that I've done, I have discussed the possibility of TPS for Haiti being redesignated. So I'm really happy that the Biden administration did that. There's been a lot going on in Haiti, a lot of kidnappings, a lot of human rights violations, and I had talked about the possibility of having temporary protected status redesignated for Haiti in the same vein that the Biden administration did so for Syria recently. So I'm really excited that TPS for Haiti has been redesignated because it means hundreds of thousands more Haitians that are currently in the United States will have an opportunity to gain this legal status. So Haiti has been redesignated for TPS. What does this mean? First, it means that TPS for Haiti will not end on October 4th, 2021. The people that currently have TPS, their TPS status currently is set to expire on October 4th, 2021. And this is because the Trump administration attempted to end TPS for Haiti. However, the way that it went about it has caused a lot of ongoing lawsuits that is keeping TPS alive for Haiti and a few other countries. So the government is going to continue to extend TPS for those who already have TPS status for Haiti that is scheduled to end on October 4th. However, these people who already have TPS for Haiti may apply under this new redesignation so that they're able to have their TPS status continue for 18 months. This redesignation also means that any Haitian person or a person who has no nationality who last lived in Haiti now has the opportunity to apply for TPS if they were physically present in the United States as of Friday, May 21st, 2021. It's also important to note that you'll also need to be physically present in the United States when you apply for TPS as well. If your TPS is granted, then you'll have TPS for 18 months. And as I mentioned, during this time, you can apply for a work permit, you can apply for a travel document so that you're able to travel, and you're protected from deportation. People who have already applied for asylum, people who have a criminal history, people who have a final order of removal or deportation, or if you have a case that is in immigration court right now, you are strongly encouraged to work with an immigration attorney on your TPS case. Do not apply for TPS with a random form preparer. Speak with an immigration attorney on your case before you apply for TPS because these situations will make your case a little bit more complicated. I do welcome you to contact my office. I'd love to help you with your immigration case. I hope you found this video helpful. Please call, text, or WhatsApp my office at 508-942-7497 or visit brazenlegal.com/contact to learn more about my law firm, to book a consultation with me, to see if you're eligible for TPS so that we can start to work on your application once the application is open. If you're not already, please follow me on Instagram at Brazen Lawyer, where I share a ton of video content on green card cases and a variety of other immigration topics. Again, I am doing this video in Haitian Creole. Please share with anyone you think would benefit. Thanks for watching.